Hello, I'm going to show you a helpful tip that I didn't know for ages and it really helped me. So most people think that in Photoshop, when you set your image size to a set resolution, this is the resolution that will be embedded when you go to save for web. But that's not always the case. To make sure that the resolution is what you want, you need to select Metadata All. Then when you save your file, you will see that comes out with the same resolution. If you use Save for Web without this selected, when you open your file, you'll see that Photoshop has resorted back to 72. And I hope that helps.